This might be one of the best kits I've worked on in a long time. And surprisingly, it's also one of the easiest. This is the Machine Lathe kit from Miniart in 1/35 scale. In the box you get 2 sprues and a small instruction card. The surface detail on this kit is amazing. The build is very straightforward, and the suggested sub-assemblies work very well if you want to paint the kit in those sub-assemblies. In general, the fit is excellent, and I didn't really have any issues during assembly whatsoever. One thing I would recommend when assembling the bed rails is to have the table sub-assembly already built and close to hand, so you can use that to help align the bed rails to make sure that it fits correctly. The details on this kit is really where it shines. It looks amazing, and it can be pushed even further with some careful painting and weathering. I wish the kit had included some decals for some of the information plates, but I am honestly nitpicking there. Overall, it is very easy for me to recommend this kit. If you're building any kind of a workshop or a maintenance scene, this is a fantastic addition, and it is a lot of fun to build. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Until next time, happy hobbying.